The slope and a point of this line are given. They are asking to find the equation of the line. How do we find the equation of a line when we have the slope and a point? So you should know the point slope form. What is the point slope form? Y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. So this is the point slope form equation. So what is the x1 and y1 in this example? So this is the x1 and this is the y1 and this is the m slope. So we can just plug the numbers to this equation. Then y minus y1 equal 3 equal m equal 3 and x minus x1 equal 2. Then y, you can take this negative 3 into the other side and distribute here 3 times x 3x and 3 times negative 2. So 3x minus 6 plus 3. Therefore equation equal y equal 3x minus 3. So this is the equation of this line. The slope and a point on the line are given. Use this information to locate 3 additional points on the line. First one, slope is 4, point is 1, 2. Let me draw this line. This is the line and point 1, 2 and slope is 4. I will explain two methods. So first we will find the equation of this line. How do we find the equation? Use the point slope form. Y minus y1 equal m x minus x1. This is the point slope form of an equation of a line. So y minus y1 is 2, m equal 4, x minus x1 equal 1. Y minus 2, I distribute this 4x minus 4. So y equal 4x minus 2. So this is the equation. Now you can use any 3x values. I use x equals 0, then y equal negative 2. Therefore, we know one point 0 comma negative 2. I use x equal negative 1, then y equal 4 times negative 1 minus 2. This equal negative 4, negative 6. The last one I use x equal 2 because we have point when x equal 1 already here. So y equal 6. Therefore, actually here the point is negative 1 comma negative 6. Here point is 2 comma 6. So these are the 3 points on this line. And we can use another method without drawing this, without finding this equation. How do we do that? Let me explain this. This slope, what is the slope? We use m equal y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Then we can use this information. Here slope is 4, that means 4 over 1. 4 over 1. So what is the meaning of this? This meaning, if x increases by 1 unit, 1 unit. Why I say 1 unit? Because here x is 1. x2 minus x1 equal 1 here. By 1 unit, then y increases by how many units? What is the y value? Here you see y equal 4. I mean the numerator equal 4, therefore by 4 units. 4 units. Therefore, you can find points x. First one we have here x equal 1. So what I do? 1 plus 1 unit. This equal 2, and y equal 2 plus 4, because it changed by 4 units. This equals 6. So one point is 2 comma 6. Now I go to next. X equal, I use 2. 2 plus 1, this equal 3, and y equal, so what is the y value? I use this one, 6 plus 4, that is 10. So therefore you can use 3 comma 10. And the last one I use x equal 3 plus 1. Why actually I use 3? Actually this I have here 3, therefore I use this 3 here. It doesn't matter, so I use that one. 3 plus 1 equal 4, and y we have 10 here, so I use 10 plus 4 equal 14. Therefore I have another point, 4 comma 14. These are the two different methods. Now let me discuss next this one, slope equal 4 over 3 and point negative 3 comma 2 using this method. Okay, second one, m equal 4 over 3 and point is negative 3 comma 2. Okay, let me write down this again. M equal y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So 4 over 3. So what is the meaning of this? This meaning, if x increases by 3 unit, but this the denominator is the x. When x increases by 3 units, then y increases by 4 units. So use this for this problem. Let me write down, if x increases by 3 units, then y increases by 4 units. Now we can use this. Okay. Therefore, we can find three possible points. How do we do? First one, I use x equal. Let me write this point in other side, and here, so I say x. What is the x point we have here? Negative 3. So therefore, I use negative 3 plus the increment positive 3. Therefore, 3. Then answer is 0. And y, what is the y value here? 2. Therefore, 2 plus increment is 4. This equals 6. So we have a point 0, comma 6. Now we will go to the second point. So now I can use this value, x value here 0, for this 0 plus again 3, because this is the increment, this the 3, and here, so 3, this equal 3, and y, we have y value here, you see we have y value over here 6, so I will use 6 plus 4, which is 10. So now you can say 3 comma 10 is a point on this line. The last one, x equal, okay, 3, we have 3 is here, so I will use this 3 here. So 3 plus 3, next 3 is the this increment 3, this equals 6, and y equal, we have 10 here, you see 10, so 10 increment is 4, which is 14. So point is 6 comma 14. So you should understand this. So yes, this tree, this is the increment, or x increases by 3 units. So I will circle this 3. So this tree we use over here, and over here, and over here. Similarly, this 4 we use over here, we use over here, and we use here too. So what is the other one? This 0 is connect with this point, and this 3 is this, and this 6 is this 6. Oh, sorry, yeah, it is the same one, but yeah, not next step. So I think you understand. So that, and the y case, this 6 should be this, and this 10 should be here. Okay, next one, slope is negative 2. So I will write down m equal negative 2, and point is negative 2 comma 3, negative 2 comma 3, sorry, negative 2 comma negative 3. Okay, m equal negative 2, so we can write down this negative 2 divided by 1. So what is the meaning of this? Again, as I explained before, we can say if x increases by 1 unit, because this is 1, then y, what happened to the y? It is not the positive 2, it is a negative 2. Therefore, y decreases by 2 units. Let me write down, if x increases by 1 unit, then y decreases by 2 units. Okay. Now how do we use this to find the three possible points? Yes. First one, x equal the point we have over here, negative 2. Therefore, negative 2 plus 1, this equal negative 1. And y we have first one here, negative 3. So negative 3, negative 2, which is negative 5. Therefore, the point is negative 1 comma negative 5. Now second one, x, what do we use? We can use this negative 1 over here. Negative 1 plus 1 equals 0, and y equal negative 5, this negative 5 minus 2 equal negative 7. So point is 0 comma negative 7. The last point, x equal 0 here. So 0 plus 1, that equal 1, and y equal negative 7 minus 2 equal negative 9. So we have this point 1 comma negative 9. Right. So I think you have an idea now how to solve this type of problem. Using your knowledge, I will give you a homework to solve by yourself. How about this? When m equal negative 3 over 4 and a point a b 3 comma 2. Okay, find the uh, 3 additional points on this line. So this is a homework.